Today we will learn a new lesson, angle relationships. A right angle, usually the measure of it is exactly 90 degrees. An acute angle, its measure is less than 90 degrees. The obtuse angle, its measure is between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. And finally, the straight angle, its measure is exactly 180 degrees. Let's take a look at this example of an angle. Is it acute, obtuse, right, or straight angle? It is a straight angle because it forms a straight line and its measure is exactly equal to 180 degrees. Another example, what about this angle? It is a right angle because its measure is exactly 90 degrees. And we can know from the symbol. One more example. This angle is an acute angle because its measure is less than 90 degrees. Now, another part of the lesson is about complementary and supplementary angles. Two angles are complementary if the sum of their measures is 90 degrees. If you look at the example at the top, measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2 is equal to 90 degrees. If two angles, if I add the measures of them and their sum was 90 degrees, then they are called complementary angles. But what about supplementary angles? In this case, if I add the measures of the angles, the sum is gonna be 180 degrees. So we name them supplementary angles. Let's try this example together. The first angle is equal to 128 degrees and the other one is 52 degrees. If I add them together, their sum is 180 degrees. So these angles are called supplementary angles. Another example, I need to classify the pair of angles as complementary, supplementary, or neither. I need first of all to add the measures of the angles, 18 plus 72 degrees. If their sum is equal to 90 degrees, then they are complementary. If their sum is equal to 180, then they are supplementary. So 18 plus 72 is equal to 90 degrees, so they are complementary angles. Are angles 1 and 2 complementary or supplementary? 1 and 2 are supplementary because they form a straight angle. So their measures, if I add the sum of their measures, it's gonna be 180 degrees. So they are supplementary angles. So let's keep in our mind, supplementary angles are two angles whose measures at 180 degrees. Complementary angles are two angles whose measures at 290 degrees.